Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be completely making up my own recipe for a 1 minute microwave thing, whatever those are called. So first you're going to need some raspberries. And go ahead and just grab how many raspberries you like. I like raspberries, so I'm putting quite a few. And whoop, that's all gone. No, I'm kidding. I'm not wasting in case this is terrible. I'm gonna put some back. We're making our raspberry, not raspberry, thingy, whatever you want to call it. Now that you put your raspberries in, as you can see, we're going to go ahead and get flour. So I don't have that many raspberries. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a spoon. A small sized spoon. And just go ahead and grab that much. That's like 2 handfuls. Yeah, just go ahead and add as much as you can in there. Now, for the vanilla extract. We're just kind of all eyeballing it. I like vanilla extract. There we go. I'm gonna pour about that much in. This is what we're working with so far. Not very nice, but it's what we have. Now we're gonna get some sugar. Yes, I know. Sugar. Oh. I got some light brown sugar. You can use whatever sugar. Just go ahead and take how much sugar you like. That should be good. Jaden, do you like a lot of sugar? Yeah. Okay, okay. I'm gonna go ask him if that's enough, so yeah, bye. No, pause, yeah. Okay, it's enough sugar. Now we're gonna add our milk. So, get our milk. And just go ahead and add that much milk. Quite a bit milk. Oof, that's a lot of milk. We're putting the stuff away as we go. Clean up after yourself. Now we just mix it together. Should I be mixing the fruit? And just go ahead and mix that together and really crush those raspberries, or at least try to crush them. Just la-da-da-da. And if it's super liquidy like mine, like a water texture, then go ahead and add more flour. Whatever. We're gonna freehand it. That should be enough. And just for a little flavor, pinch of salt. That's about a pinch, right? Now we're gonna mix it together. And now we're going to add some more sugar. No. We have enough sugar. What we should be focused on is mixing this stuff up. So I'll see you once it's mixed up. Now this part is optional. You can add sprinkles, which I'm obviously going to. So yeah, I'll see you. So I added my sprinkles, as you can see. Yeah, I accidentally got it everywhere. And this is raspberry thing, so I'm using red sprinkles. Now, we're just going to add some more flour into our mixture. So, because it's not too liquidy. And I'm going to go add some vanilla extract, and I'll see you. That smells good. Okay, once you get a texture like that, time to put it in the microwave for, if you're doing a big cup, the 1 minute, but if you're doing one like mine, 45 seconds. So I'll see you once that 45 seconds is over. As you can see, mine, the pink stuff, the like real pink stuff needs to be cooked. That will take I'm gonna go ahead and test it. Yeah, I'll get a fork. So I'm gonna just use the end of a spoon, just poke it in. Ooh, that could use about 30 more seconds. So let's put it back in. Okay, we're gonna use about 5 more seconds. So, okay, if you want, you can add some sprinkles into yours. And if you're real extra, you can add some raspberries. Oh, come on. Might as well eat them. And I'll add the last one in there. Okay, I'll see you once it's cooled off. Hi, I'm back. Now we're gonna try it, but wait. Our guest tries it first, so let's go ahead and bring it. Dessert is served.
Is that what I think it is? Oh.
I'm not gonna touch it. Oh, this handle is good to touch. Touch the handle, and there you go. There's your spoon. Hopefully it tastes good. It will. And I'll see you guys back in another video, and make sure to You heard him. Like and subscribe right now, or throw you across the room. Too late.